Tomorrow's a long drive, too. Is there a quicker way than going through Wyoming?
Nope.
Slow her down so you don't bump the bus. No trouble. Be careful! God damn. Don't speed. Wait, give him a chance to leave. You're going to get an accident that way, man. Give him a chance to go over.
We are perfectly safe, dude.
You still should give him a chance.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You should give him a little bit more chance to move over. Yes. Someone just called me. Who is this? Okay. Yeah, we're driving. So anyway, it's really intense driving, So yes, you want the address where you can send me the addresses? No Catholic churches, mega churches, Lutheran churches, Presbyterian, Church Assembly of God churches. They're the ones that have a license with CCLI that uses my music. It was great in Lincoln. A lot of people showed up, more than where we were before. We'll probably next year when we go through there, we need someone to pass out the signs ahead of time at the colleges, places, and I'd give them or let them in free. If you're willing to do that, we'll let you in free. Okay. Yeah, 3918. You can send it to 3918 Los Angeles, California, 90004 for David Lieberhart. Thank you very much. 90004. Yeah, and thank you for calling. It's just very, very intense driving on this freeway. With the trucks, and the trucks is very, and we almost got pushed to the side by the truck, and I told him to give it some more time for the truck to move over, because that can cause an accident. Yes. Okay, thank you very much, and see if the next time we come through there, they get more people to come, because it's it's very tough. Yeah. Okay. Well, what kind do you do? Music or what? Or art? Oh, wonderful. That's great. Well, you can also send me one of your CDs, and I'll send you something that I did in the past with Adam. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and if you know of a nice single girl you can introduce me to, I've been without a lady in a long, long time. That's been another challenge. Yeah. You're lucky, yes, you got a pretty girl with you that night. Wow. Okay, well, thank you. Well, if you come out here, get you some leads or something, or if I know of something. Okay, well, thanks for calling, and you have a great day. All the best. Let's Anderson move on.
Aye.
You said, thank you, bye. Thank you, and have a nice evening. Bye-bye. Okay, wow. Still 4 hours.
More like 3.
Wow. You really need to concentrate on your drive.
I'm concentrating. You are safe.
Slow down.
For what?
Slow down. You gotta run that truck.
It's okay, my friend.
Yeah, hi, it's David. I need you to tell my fans I can't talk politics on the phone anymore or talk about UFOs. That's why my phone number was temporarily disconnected at the 323. It upset some people, and there was a Filipino guy that was a leftist, and he called me on the phone, and I told him my dad did a lot of work with the leftists to help the black community out that was facing a lot of racism in Chicago, and Sunshine Lee found out about it, and she had my sabotage my phone, so my phone was turned off. She doesn't like it that I am a Democrat, and then she doesn't like it that me and John C. Reilly and Zach Salvanakis and Tim and Eric did a fundraiser for Bernie Sanders last year, and so she's giving me a hard time with since she's a Republican, and she's sabotaged my phone. I found out she was also behind me not being able to sell my portraits at the La Brea Tar Pits because I had a visitation of seeing an extraterrestrial there. And it's been pushed all on the internet, and Donald Trump that owns the park doesn't, and it's privately owned. The government is trying to see if that extraterrestrial comes back so they can capture it, and which is very so. That's why they've been sending other black people that look like me to sit at the bench where I sell my portrait sketches to try to capture the alien lady that visited me back in the 80s, Jezebel Ordias there. And so that's why they're not letting me go back to the park. And it's very sad. I feel that's wrong for them to do that to the aliens. They should be able to be free just like anybody else. And this is what the conservative Republicans do. They want everything under their thumb, and they don't want to be. They're not free-spirited like the Democrats and the leftists that love everybody equally. They are very racist, very biased, very conservative. That's the problem I've been facing. Anyway, so the phone number has been turned back on at 323, but I can't talk about UFOs anymore on the phone or talk about politics anymore on the phone. People that want to interview me about things like that, I have to use your phone, or they have to call me back on their phones from now on. Okay, take care, bye.
Hey, what's up? It's Jonah. I haven't checked in with you in a while. I think since the last time I spoke to you, the I Love David show came out. You can watch it for free at adultswim.com/videos/I art-love-david. It's also on YouTube. If you go to youtube.com/artbyliebehart, you will find a playlist with all of the episodes there. What else? We got, also on that same channel, we got a new Chip the Black Boy song. We have at artbyliebehart.com some new Pastor of Muppets t-shirts. You may have seen it on tour, but we have some new colors there. And there's a new poster, a Space Ranger poster. There's a Salome patch that you might not have heard about. And I don't know, all sorts of other things to make good Christmas gifts, since it is that season. What else? I don't know. We're booking a European tour for the spring, so if anyone is out there, has any suggestions for people for me to contact, that would be great, because I could use some help. You can email us at info@artbyliebehart.com, and I don't know, that's enough for now. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, we've never asked you to do this before, but they say it's good to rate and review on iTunes. I don't know. Okay, bye.